Hello everyone. If the printer doesn't respond when you press and hold the power button, check the insulation sheet. First, make sure the insulation sheet has been removed. If it hasn't been removed, take it out and try again. Check the battery. If the printer still doesn't turn on, take out the battery and check if the positive and negative terminals match the markings on the printer. Reinstall the battery properly. Turn on the printer. After reinstalling the battery, press and hold the power button again. The printer should power on normally.